What? Ay, ate.
They get so many flavors. Sweet teriyaki.
Ganang snow. May buntag.
Mommy,
Opo.
do you want to make?
Just 2 eggs. Just 2 eggs, baby. Salamat. Tugnaw ko ayo ko ron. Grabe ang katugnaw dyan. Ha?
Why did the dog heal?
Jaden, just go get the itlog. Duha ka itlog. Nagham ka ni siya advertisement sa kinabuhi. Ay, nako. Chish, man. So, yes, no? Tugnaw ka, idiri. Grabe ka tugnaw.
Mommy, I want to feed you with the ice.
Pero, sa mornings kay okay naman. Karon na jud abot nga nung tugnaw kaayo. Para man sila. Maghimot breakfast sa mga bagets, no? So, simple na atong breakfast for today's video.
Mommy,
Oh my, look at outside. It's frosted.
it's frozen.
Oh no! Abot lang kung makita ninyo, no? Tanaw.
Ooh, let's take a look.
Oh no, it's pretty cold, Jaden. Nagputi-puti ang gawas kay ngano nag-ice. Bantog ra tugnaw day kaayo.
That's okay, Mommy.
Yeah, I know it's okay because you're strong.
Good morning, down people. Say it with me.
Yeah.
I do right.
Mag-fried rice kaya ako, no? Okay. Let's... Kuha ra ang rice dito dong. Get the rice in the fridge. The rice cooker.
The rice
Yes. Okay, si Jaden.
is so heavy.
Okay. Close the door. Close the fridge. So, among regular Sunday jud no, kay maghimo ko og Sunday breakfast na mo. Pero gabi ini ana sila Pearl, ay lang paghimo og Sunday breakfast kay busog daw sila gabi eh. So, dili ta maghimo, mga bata na lang. Akong bana pod. Mag-fasting sa daw siya. So, sige eh. Niya ako po dili kay ko ga breakfast jud. Ambot lang sa una grabe ko mag-breakfast karon kay murag nasanay na maguko. Di na kay ko katulog og breakfast jud. Pero brunch mga 10 ana 10:30 dira ako gakaon. Pero mao lagi itlog ana. Kuan na gud dili gud kay siya bongga na fried rice, itlog ra kung ibutang og rice niya. Garlic powder, salt, pepper. So karon usabon ako, nag-meal plan naman ko. Unya usabon ako karon kay karon na week starting tomorrow to Friday.
Me.
Wala ta ba akong bana, so mag-kuan daw siya kanang mag-grill daw siya. So usabon ako akong meal plan. Okay, Jaden no. So gabi eh,
On my backpack is
tanawa ra ko tanawa.
you promise?
No. How many pick up your toys when I tell you to?
Jaden, go clean up.
Huh?
I mean, put it away. Help ate. Dali. So, katawanan kayo kay gabi nagalimpyo dyan na si Jaden. Unya, gikapo siya limpyo gabi. So, wanya gilimpyo. Ang gibuhat siyang ate. Gibutang niya sa garbage bag. Unya, nagpretend siya na ilabay na ko niya. Karon si Jaden. Napalakan na yung taon. Jaden, do you promise you will clean up the toys later?
Yeah.
Opo, I promise.
Okay, promise.
Okay, go. Put it away.
I'll fix it. That toys everywhere.
Go.
When I put the toys away, Keith.
What? Ay, ate.
Keith was
My baby.
looking for all the toys in there. So I kept the one so you can play with it.
See, Alina is petty. The
I
pettiest.
asked him like 10 times to pick up the toys. He said, no, I'm too tired.
Too tired? Oh, Jaden, put it away. I'm not doing it. I am not doing it. I will sit here and relax.
Kian, look at it. You do poo.
Hoy, pag limpyo na mo, bahala mo na. Dili ko maglimpyo karon kay Domingo man. Dominic will just vacuum later. Magpahulay punta. Oy, kay Domingo biya karon. Mag-grocery na mi. Gamiton ako ang regalo sa akong Annabelle sa Valentine's Day. Si Kian o si Jelly nakatulog na. Let's go. Diri no pag winter ganyo, di jud pwede na wala kay chopsticks or kanang lip moisturizer. Kay grabe mag-dry jud imong lips. Hoy, in fairness, today is so sunny.
Now until it snows later.
Again, it snow? It will snow?
It's supposed to snow tonight.
Hopefully na. Sa ingon ani rami magmamalengke. Mura rin nagpambalay ra jud mi. Sapatos unya go na. So maura jud na among itinerary today. No, it's okay, babe. You can listen.
Excited to say that we're about to go somewhere.
Uy, grabe katugnaw. Kabalo jud ko asa akong bana gani. Naglatagaw. Dali na kay na siya. Makita. Tanaw na to. Tanawa ra guni siya. Di jud siya masaligan mabiyaan. Mura ni si Jaden. Oh. Hey, 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 hey.
They got so many flavors. Sweet teriyaki,
Ginoo ko, Lord.
bacon and caramelized peach, apple caramel.
Oh, let me see. Tanawa ra good.
They got all.
How much are these?
Oh,
See? I can't trust
ain't it
you.
beautiful?
Wait. I can't trust you. Kodoghan. It's a lot.
It's for the children.
No, it's just for you. Shut up.
One eternity later.
Makhimuta og crab ragoon. Nagsyagit-syagit na si Kian. So actually pag maghimo jud og crab ragoon no kay kuan kanang tawag ani oy. Katugay kan na kanang crab meat jud. Kanina akong gigamit kay medyo barato. Unya lamian po ko ani. Grabe ang gisno karon ay ni lala. Dali ra kay siya himuan ay. Cream cheese, crab meat, di mawala jud ang spring onion. Tapos seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic powder, W sauce. Tas maura. Nya irap ra ninyo nya prituhon, di ba? Dali ra kaayo. Kay among panihapon karon kay basta Sunday magud og Saturday. American style jud na. Meaning very unhealthy. Ay dili man very unhealthy eh. Meaning mga fried. Na excited jud kay mga bata basta mga fried gani amo ang kaunon kay of course basta teenagers or mga bata no ganahan jud kay mga fried. Garlic powder lang ni siya. Kanina paminta no kay grabe. Halang siya na paminta. Paprika, salt, W sauce, oyster sauce. Gamay na kikoman sauce, soy sauce di ay. What do na to ni? So nara oh. Tilawan na nato kung okay ba ang perfect na ang lasa. Unya i-wrap lang nato. Nalingaw intaw sila sa kuan, tanaw-tanaw og snow. Tubig day na kung gibutang ha. Ana ra siya. I put snow on his back. I put snow on his back. Si ana lang oh. Pero kung gusto mo kanang dali ra gani, ipakita na ko sa inyo kanang medyo dali kaysa ani. Tapos kani. Ana lang. Dali ra kayo no. 'Di ba? Ay ingani ra nako pareho gihapon. Pero gwapa maguning ani no? Gwapa kaayo. Crab Dragon kay siya purma. Maghimo tag sample. Babe, can you please get a paper towel? Tara, gwapa dun siya ingon ani uno. Kaso lang, it takes forever to wrap. So, might as well kanila lang. Which one do you like?
We don't care about it.
Yeah, I will just make like the triangle so it's like it's easy.
Yep, I want the easiest. That looks great. Look at that.
Actually, Alina and Dominic didn't eat lunch.
We don't have to tell them.
They don't like it.
No,
I mean,
they're lazy. They're too lazy to make lunch. There's food here, but they're too lazy to make a lunch. But if Bro makes lunch, they'll eat it.
of course, they're
I don't care. I'm
I'm
done
not
negotiating
gonna
with
know.
these teenagers.
I mean,
Yep.
like, I don't know. Some teenagers, they don't like make lunch. So, let's try this one, babe. It's hot.
I'm not about to burn my mouth. Gonna have me out here looking crazy on camera. No, ma'am. Not today.
But this is just beautiful.
It is
Guapa,
great.
no?
That's great.
But this one is okay. Kanito, okay. Dahil na kayo.
You use cream cheese inside?
I always do. Uy. Tanaw na to. Siya siya ka-crispy. What? It's hot.
Thanks, man.
So, Kuya, you want sample?
Alright, there. That looks good.
So good. Cheers.
Wow.
Wait, makabot. This is the cutest one.
Oh,
Kuya, do you
wow.
want sample?
Wow, bro. Good job.
Can you have some table, Bobby?
Good. Gusto rin na.
I don't know. He didn't call in.
I didn't call. Go ahead.
Oh, she's coming soon. She gets to eat.
Gusto mo yun?
Bobby.
It's hot, Jaden.
Okay.
Or
That's really good.
this is hot. Kaya, yan ha. It's super hot.
It's tasty.
I can get more, Jen.
It's really good. A little sweet, a little sweeter, but not bad at all. Like it's really good.
I didn't put any sugar and stuff. Maybe the Worcestershire sauce.
Or just the natural sweetness of the
Cream cheese.
crab. Let's go.
Let's do whatever.
Let me see, let me see.
That'll be great.
Yeah, ask for tips.
Who took this?
Some professional photographer. I don't know.
Oh, dude, good. Look at you.
There's
Darling.
you were able to do whatever you want after you took the group photo. I was
Can you? You need to frame this. It's the guy.
I'm gonna say exactly what I just.
And you need to like put it. Whatever. Wait, nice catch na picture. It's so nice though. Chicken strips, fries, and this. It will be like super fatty meal.
If we have
You want salad?
that's
you
a lot
broccoli.
of work right now, girl. You're already doing so much with all this.
So during pag weekend, Saturday or Sunday, di yun ninyo makita si Alina o si Dominic dire sa ubos. Kay magpundo yun na sila sa ilang mga kwarto. Pero pasagdaan na po na ko kay para gani makarest po sila after sa whole week na ilang school. Hey, look at this. I-try na mo, ham. Alina's idea.
Because I'm so smart.
I want some. I want some.
You can't eat. Okay, fine. So sabi ko.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
I like it too.
Pa akong tubig, be. You want more, babe? Tubig, Jadam. It's good. Uy, lamig kayo siya. So, magluto na ko na time check. 6:16 na. So, normally pag kadang weekdays gani kay mga may mga around 5:30 to 6 p.m. jud gakaon. Karon kay kuan man weekend, so dugay-dugay mi mga on. Nagprito na ko. Wapa kayo. Olive oil gihapon akong gamiton. Anin gigamit. Nya magprito po ko og katong crab ragoon unya, nagbutan ako og fries sa air fryer para dugan-dungan na ba. Si Jaden nasa taas no. Nagdula sa ihang kuya. Ay nagtanaw sa lida. Unya nag-snow na gihapon. Perting snow gihapon. Ay, look at that. Kita ninyo? Ano na kung makita ninyo? Abihan tamo. Ni baga-baga na ang snow. Ay nako, hopefully no. Malanay daw dayon. Iya. Magluto sa ko ninyo ha, kay gigutom na akong mga sakop.
We're dumping it too.
Wait,
Thank you so much.
we love this so much. I think I love it. You want?
Not the girl in you. It's really good.
Thank you, bro.
So, maura to mo ang kuan karon namong Sunday. Relax sa jud kaayo mi, right, Jaden? And it's still snowing.
It's so sorry, guys.
Yeah. So, maura to mga loves, no? Ayaw,
Sorry.
so ayaw kalimot og follow sa among Facebook ug TikTok account, Blasian Fam. Unya, palihog na po subscribe sa among YouTube channel.
No.
So, maura to. So, maura to mga loves. Salamat sa pagtan-aw. Sa sunod na pod. Bye!
Ma.
Mwah.